Good day, everyone. If you follow me on Instagram, you'd know that this is one of the heavily requested videos for my YouTube channel. This is the very first episode of an unboxing series. Now, today we're going to be talking about the Genki Shadowcast console capture card. As requested, I'm going to do this unboxing video for you guys. I will show some gameplay demos, how I set it up, and of course my overall experience with it so far. I've been using it for a week and I think I have enough info to tell you guys how to get started with it. So, here we go. First things first, I'm not heavy on the tech side of things. I don't have a big fancy PC built or anything like that. I wish I did. But I feel like I want to emphasize this because the first thing that I'm going to say about the Genki Shadowcast, it appealed to me because it is not intimidating. I was looking around the capture card market and all the prices either range from $100 to $300 and I just don't have the budget for that. Luckily, I stumbled upon Genki and I immediately love this thing. It's simple enough and the price isn't so bad. It is just $50. Now for that $50, what's inside the box? Now, first thing that I do want to say is I love packaging design and this is very simple, easy to understand, and for me, that's appealing. Sliding it over and opening up, we see the capture card itself. I'm not even sure if I could call it a capture card because it just looks like a USB. Next up, right under it, we get the cable, the adapter, some stickers that I immediately put on my sticker Hall of Fame, aka my bike, and the manual. Easy enough just by looking at all of this, you already know what each one is for. Nothing's complicated for me. I'm gonna show you guys the individual items and put a little bit of an info right around it, and you can pause it if you'd like to read more. Alright, now let's set it up. As fast as you can imagine it, I just downloaded the Genki Arcade on the App Store and I basically got my Switch, connected the ports, turned on my laptop, and there it was! With the Genki Arcade paired up with the Shadowcast, I have one word for it. It is hella convenient. We even have this system set up here. And just by looking at the icons, you already know what to click to get what you need. Here's a footage of me trying it out with the current game that I'm playing, The Legend of Zelda: Link's Awakening.
Alright, so let's check out. I'm using my Kraken headphones right now and the volume is up on the screen.
Now this is actually a really good thing for me. I love how crisp the actual gameplay audio is, but I do have a comment. I feel that I would actually want to record my voice separately from the Genki Arcade system because sometimes when the gameplay gets a little bit hard and heavy, it starts blurting out, kind of distorting the voiceover, so might consider that. There we go! As fast as possible, this is definitely a good purchase for me. Heck, I think it's even a good investment because now I feel more motivated to start uploading gameplay footages. Maybe I'll call it Pirate Play or something. It's budget friendly, light, simple, easy to understand, and fast to set up. And I highly recommend this for anyone who wants to play on the go with their Switch or wants to get started with streaming their games. Thank you so much for watching this video. This is so new to me, but I'm having so much fun. I might make more of this soon. So let me know what you think. Click that like button, hit subscribe, and you know this by now. I'll see you next time.